Okay. One of the questions that typically students ask related to careers is which technology stack is better for career? Should I go for Java? Should I go for Python? Should I go for .NET? So that's a question which is confusing from the student's point of view. But if you ask me, if I were to suggest something, I would suggest that don't look at the technology stack. Just take a look at the stack as such, because career-wise, it's always good to be focusing on one thing. But if you are a fresher, if you focus on multiple stacks, in that case, the possibility of you getting a job is going to be on the higher side. Okay, because when you choose a specific stack, you are restricting the kind of possibilities that will be coming your way. And technology-wise, there's nothing good or bad. Okay, careers are not made by technology. Careers are made by how you use the technology. So is Java better, Python better, .NET better is actually a moot point. That's not really relevant to the careers. Career is how you use Java, how you use Python. So as somebody who has been working in the field for last 30 plus years, my suggestion to the freshers would be don't bother thinking about which technology stack is better. Whichever stack that you're working on currently, just focus on that. You are definitely going to be getting a good opportunity out of that.